Today, we are going to dive straight into a tense courtroom showdown. From the very first second, the stakes are clear. We've got a live Zoom hearing with Mr. Dean challenging the proceedings, the formal swearing in, the judge's setup, and Mr. Dean hinting at due process concerns instantly set the stage for a high-stakes battle. You can feel the tension brewing as this seemingly routine case begins to unravel.
We are live on the record in cause number 23-09-13702. This is a motion to confirm support arrearage. This was filed by the Attorney General's Office November 27th of 2024. The parties are all present before the court today on Zoom. This is a remote proceeding, and I am sitting outside of Montgomery County, Texas, pursuant to the Texas Family Code, Section 201.1045. And if nobody has objected to proceeding this way.
Objection, Judge.
Okay, one moment, sir. Ms. Baskins, can you please state your full name for the record?
Yes, ma'am. It's Adrienne Baskins.
Okay. And, sir, can you state your full name for the record, please?
Yeah, I'm Zahir Dean, the living man.
Okay. And Mr. Dean and Ms. Baskins, can you both please raise your right hands to be sworn in? Do you each solemnly swear that any testimony that you'll give today will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I do.
I do.
Okay. Is everyone ready to proceed today?
Yes, Judge Julie Kahn for the Office of the Attorney General.
Okay. Before we begin, a few housekeeping items. The first is I am an associate judge, and then I believe you were before me once before. So I vaguely remember that, but do keep in mind I have multiple hearings practically every day. And so not all details stick in my head from day to day. That being said, Mr. Dean, you wanted to say something?
Yes, thank you, Judge. Judge, I'd like to say I'm here on special appearance. But first, we were here last time, and I was really sick, and I wasn't able to speak. So I appreciate you giving me the time to recover and come back here today.
Better.
Now the heat turns up. Mr. Dean explains why he believes the case should be dismissed, citing lack of proper notice and unclear procedures. Every word he speaks is a challenge to the system, and the judge pushes back immediately. This is the point where procedural tension takes center stage, and the audience realizes this isn't going to be an ordinary hearing. Suspense builds with every objection.
So I'm here on special appearance, Judge, and I am looking for a dismissal of this case due to due process violations. I was not given proper notice. And in the notice, I wasn't given a clear statement of the proposed actions. I wasn't given the specific reasons or grounds for the proposed actions, including a description of the facts and evidence upon which the actions based off of today. I wasn't given sufficient detail so I can understand what is at stake and what I need to contest or respond to. And I wasn't given information about how to access the procedures for responding or contesting the actions, including contact details. So because of this, I'm requesting a dismissal of the case, Your Honor.
And just for clarification, sir, have you filed anything requesting this relief?
No, because I don't know what's going on.
Okay.
I don't have any information. Was not given the proper notice, and because of that, there's no way for me to proceed.
Yeah, I offered to email them to him this morning. He was served back on June 10th by side posting, and so on his door, he was served.
Objection. Is there evidence to prove that, Your Honor?
So I'm looking for the service return right now.
The courtroom drama explodes into a debate over service and evidence. Mr. Dean objects vigorously, questioning whether proper notice was given, while the judge methodically examines service returns. Every second counts as the courtroom stakes rise. You can feel the suspense as legal procedure and fairness clash, and it becomes clear that the outcome isn't guaranteed yet. This is a pivotal moment.
I have it pulled up. I can share the screen if I need to.
Okay. You might as well, so he can see it. I have it pulled up as well right now, though. It's a different device.
So it says on June 10th, 2025, it was posting the citation to the front main entry door per Texas Rule 106.
And I do take judicial notice of that executed service return.
Oops. Okay, so that was just the preset, but this is also the motion to confirm and the motion for substituted service was all served on him.
Oh yeah, it's multiple, but yeah, the 3 pages in that service return.
If I've got an objection on that, Your Honor, it says it's been posted on my front door.
At the front main entry door is what it says.
Yeah.
Yes.
I did not receive that, Your Honor.
Okay.
I've got an objection to that.
And hold on one moment.
I believe he also signed the reset last time we were here.
Yes, I do believe you've made an appearance in the case. So, sir, you're claiming right now that you don't have a copy of the pleading. Is that true?
So I've got an objection to that as well, Judge. So when we were here before, I did have a means to communicate with the clerk prior. However, during the Zoom when we were speaking to you, I did not have a means to communicate in terms of chat for me to object to that. But now I'm able to speak. I agree on a reset to come back to figure out what's going on here, but my objection still is for due process not having the sufficient amount of information.
Judge, I apologize.
That's okay. Please talk.
I'm willing to take a short reset. I can email him the pleadings. I've offered to do that before, and if he needs a chance to look them over.
Yeah, and I've got an objection to that, Your Honor. Due to the due process violation, I'm requesting a dismissal.
Here's where things get really intense. Mr. Dean asserts he's appearing as a living man under special appearance, challenging conventional legal definitions. The judge engages directly, questioning the basis of his claims and explaining the law. The tension peaks as identity, representation, and due process collide. Every exchange is charged with suspense, highlighting the unusual and dramatic nature of this courtroom battle.
Okay, sir, this is not I'm finding it's not a due process violation. You are here, people are allowed to make appearances before the court. You've made an appearance before the court multiple times now. I'm not dismissing this lawsuit. It's a matter of making sure you do have proper notice to proceed, though, and fairness. And so I do want you to receive a copy of the pleading so we can proceed. I do believe last time, Ms. Khan, because I thought this case involved a modification and confirmation. I believe last time Ms. Khan, correct me if I'm wrong, I think it was this case, corrected me and said this was just a confirmation of arrears. We're just confirming arrears in this case.
That is correct.
It doesn't make it any less important. There may be there might be, I don't know, there could be possession credit issues, there could be direct payment issues, could be all sorts of things. And I want you to have your day in court in fairness. But I am denying the request to dismiss this action. I don't find it's been a due process violation. Have you provided Ms. Khan information, a way to send you a copy of the pleading so you can review it?
Your Honor, so I've got an objection on the appearance as well. I'm not here, or nor have I ever been here on general appearance. I've always represented myself under special appearance.
I don't know what that means, sir. Are you not a person?
I am the living man.
What does that mean?
I am a man.
You are a man, I'm a woman, but I'm here. You're here.
I'm here as a living man representing myself.
Under what legal basis are you doing that?
Under constitutional law.
I'm finding you're here and you're making an appearance, sir. I don't know what law you're referring to. If you'd like to cite a specific statute or a specific part of the Constitution, I am open to reading it. But my understanding of the law is you're here, and there's no legal representation of yourself in that form. So I would like you to receive a copy of the pleading. I'd like you to review it. If you need additional time, I'm even open to resetting this to the December 11th date, although I'd rather not. But in fairness to you, if that needs to happen, I will give you a little more time.
That would need to happen, Your Honor.
Okay, but I want you to receive a copy of this pleading so we don't have the same discussion next time.
I've
So
sent it. Can you check your email and make sure you
Oh.
read it?
I'm checking now.
Okay, thank you.
I received it. I don't know if you heard me, but I'm sorry. I said I received it.
Okay, thank you. So you did receive it?
I
Just to
did.
confirm.
I did via email.
Finally, the courtroom reaches a procedural resolution. Mr. Dean receives the pleading by email and requests time to review, while the judge sets the final trial date. The tension eases, but the stakes remain clear. The case will continue on December 11th. It's a suspenseful conclusion that reinforces the importance of due process and courtroom protocol. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next video.
Okay, do you want to review it now or do you want some time to review it before we proceed?
It's a pretty long document. Yes, very long document. I'll definitely need time to review.
Okay, and just so you know, despite the length of the document, we will be proceeding to final trial on December 11th, 2025. No more resets. I expect everyone to be prepared. I think I told you all this last time, but be ready to proceed next time with I did say this last time, with any witnesses or any documents in electronic form. Be ready to go.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so it is reset for December 11th, 2025 at 9 a.m. on Zoom, the same Zoom code information.
All right. I will send out a reset. Just give me about 5-10 minutes and I'll send it to your same email.
Okay.
Thank you.
If y'all want to go back to the breakout rooms and make sure I get the resets to you.
I'm okay with the verbal reset. I'm not going to sign any documentation.
Okay, I'm just letting you know, I'm going to put in Odyssey that you have been noticed of today's setting, and if you do not appear next time, we'll proceed with or without you, sir.
That's fine, Judge.
Okay.
All right. Well, I guess, Ms. Baskins, you're free to go. I will send you the reset. Just check your email in about 5-10 minutes for me if you can.
Thank you.
And we can stop the recording.